Aloha! I hope you've all been pretty well. I'm not gonna say that. I don't know if I'm gonna do the hands too. Beautiful and powerful beings. How are you doing? You can make this fall season anything that you want it to be. So let's make it a big change. Okay. Aloha, beautiful and powerful beings. I hope you're all doing very well during this fall time. It can be a big transformation for some if you let it be. The fall time where everything is aging and decaying and reminding us of the constants of change, the impermanence of everything. I've been learning recently that things don't necessarily happen for a reason, for some supernatural destined reason, at least that we can prove or we can observe. But what we can observe is that you can make any experience into whatever you want it to be. This is called manifesting. So if something is really profound to you and it really speaks to you, maybe like a drum circle, or learning to heal others through Reiki, or if you've signed up for Inner Engineering, this Diwali, it's Festival of Lights, Sadhguru's gracious gift to us all, offering Inner Engineering for free. If you signed up for that, that's also a big possibility. And it's a lot easier to make things that are wholesome by nature into a big transformation, but it's also helpful to remember that you can make anything into something great. In other words, the infinite possibility is always present in whatever we do. So, going on a walk, smelling the fresh air, or even after a big mistake. Maybe you got too drunk, or you've hurt someone through your words or your hands. That can also be an infinite possibility for you to learn and grow and progress spiritually in that moment, in here and now. So, something I found helpful is to just close your eyes and feel where it is that you're being unkind to yourself and your body. So some of us might feel it in the shoulders. Some of us, for me particularly, I tend to feel it right here in the third eye or in the forehead. So recognize where you're being unkind to yourself. Where at in your body are you being unkind to yourself? And trade it in for a deep appreciation for the opportunity to progress and grow spiritually. Trade in that unkindness for deep appreciation for the infinite possibility that's here and now. Anything can be made beautiful and anything can be made into laughter. As Hafiz says, which is a Sufi poet, Hafiz says, "He who laughs the most knows the most, if that laughter is sincere." So, the wise don't take anything seriously, and thus they can make anything very beautiful and very graceful. So just look for the grace in all things. This isn't an analytical thing. This is recognizing where you're being unkind to yourself in your body, in your mind. Recognize that. and then trade it in for a deep appreciation for opportunity.